Waves are everywhere. Some are visible, some are not. A wave is a periodic disturbance that moves away from a source and carries energy with it. Sound waves, light waves, and surface waves are few examples of waves. All waves have distinguished characteristics. All of them have frequency, period, wavelength, and wave speed. The frequency is the number of waves that pass a certain point in a given amount of time. It is commonly measured in hertz. A high energy frequency wave possesses high energy, while low frequency wave possesses a low energy. The period of a wave refers to the time required to complete one wavelength. A wavelength is the distance between two consecutive similar points on a wave. It is the length between two adjacent crests, troughs, compression region, or rarefaction region. The wave speed refers to the frequency of a wave times its wavelength. The speed of a wave depends upon the medium through which it travels. Waves move more slowly in a denser region. Waves travel in different ways. Some waves require a medium to transfer energy, while others travel in empty space. The medium could be a solid, liquid, or gas. Waves are classified according to their ability or inability to transfer energy through space. Mechanical waves require a medium to transfer energy. These are some examples of mechanical waves. Number 1. Sound waves. Sound waves are waves produced by vibrating bodies. Number 2. Surface waves. Surface waves are waves that consist of a combination of transverse and longitudinal waves and occurs at the surface between two different mediums. Number 3. Tsunami waves. Tsunami waves are large wave in the ocean caused by an earthquake. Number 4. Spring waves. Spring waves are waves produced by spring such as slinky or other coiled spring. Mechanical waves are categorized based on how they are propagated. It could be transverse waves, longitudinal waves, or surface waves. Transverse waves are waves that transfer energy in a direction that is perpendicular to the wave motion. Parts of a transverse wave. Crest, the highest point of a transverse wave. Trough, the lowest part of a transverse wave. Wavelength is the distance between an identical part of a wave. Amplitude, it is the height of the wave. Longitudinal waves are waves that transfer energy in a direction that is parallel to the wave. Parts of a longitudinal wave. Compression, where the particles are close together. Rarefaction, where the particles are spread apart. Surface waves are waves that consist of a combination of transverse and longitudinal waves and occurs at the surface between two different mediums. Water waves on the other surface of the ocean are an example of a surface wave. They travel between water and air. Electromagnetic waves can transfer energy even without any medium. They may travel in a vacuum or empty space. The following are examples of electromagnetic waves. Number 1. Radio waves. These are the waves produced when charged particles move back and forth in instruments such as antenna. Number 2. Microwaves. A high-frequency radio wave used primarily for communication. Number 3. Infrared rays. Electromagnetic wave in the frequency range just below visible light. It felt as heat. Visible light, an electromagnetic wave that can be seen with an aided eye. Ultraviolet rays, an electromagnetic wave with frequencies just higher than visible light. X-rays, an electromagnetic wave with frequencies just above ultraviolet rays. Gamma rays, an electromagnetic wave with the highest frequencies and shortest wavelengths.